Beneath the surface of our planet, hidden within the earth, lies a world of perpetual darkness. These are caves, natural underground chambers sculpted over millennia by the patient hand of water and time. They are more than just empty spaces, they are thriving ecosystems, teeming with life uniquely adapted to survive in a world without sunlight. Join me as we venture into this unseen world, exploring the fascinating creatures that call these caves home, and the delicate balance that sustains them. Caves may seem inhospitable at first glance, lacking the sunlight that fuels most life on Earth. Yet, within these subterranean labyrinths, a remarkable diversity of life flourishes. From blind, colorless creatures to intricate networks of bacteria and fungi, cave ecosystems showcase the remarkable adaptability of life itself. In these realms of perpetual darkness, evolution has taken a unique turn, shaping creatures with extraordinary adaptations that allow them to thrive in the absence of light and the scarcity of nutrients.
One of the most striking features of many cave dwellers is their adaptation to a life without light. Many cave-dwelling animals have either completely lost their sight or possess only rudimentary eyes, rendered useless in the pitch-black environment. Instead of relying on vision, these creatures have evolved other, more acute senses to navigate their surroundings and locate food. The Texas blind salamander, for instance, is a fascinating example of this adaptation. Living its entire life in the dark waters of caves, this amphibian has evolved to be completely blind, its skin pale and translucent. It relies on its heightened senses of touch and smell to detect vibrations in the water, allowing it to locate prey and navigate its environment. Similarly, many cave insects have developed long, sensitive antennae that act as their eyes, feeling their way through the darkness and detecting minute changes in air currents.
The challenges of living in a cave extend beyond the absence of light. Food is often scarce, and the environment can be harsh and unforgiving. Over time, cave creatures have developed an array of remarkable adaptations to cope with these challenges, often displaying incredible resilience and resourcefulness. Some cave dwellers have adapted to a life of extreme energy conservation. With limited food sources available, they have evolved slow metabolisms and reduced energy requirements. The Olm, a blind salamander found in European caves, embodies this adaptation. It can survive for years without food, its slow movements and low metabolic rate minimizing energy expenditure. Other cave creatures have developed unique feeding strategies to exploit the limited resources available. Some cave spiders, for instance, have abandoned web building altogether and instead actively hunt their prey, using vibrations to track their movements in the dark.
While life in a cave may seem isolated, it is part of a complex and interconnected web. The cave ecosystem relies on a delicate balance of producers, consumers, and decomposers, each playing a crucial role in the flow of energy and nutrients. At the base of the cave food web are the decomposers. Bacteria and fungi thrive in the dark, moist environment, breaking down organic matter such as bat guano, decaying plant material, and the remains of dead animals. These decomposers release nutrients back into the ecosystem, making them available to other organisms.
Section 5. The flow of energy. In the absence of sunlight, which fuels photosynthesis in surface ecosystems, cave ecosystems rely on a different source of energy, organic matter that washes in from the outside world. This can include anything from leaves and twigs carried in by floodwaters to the droppings of animals that use caves as roosts or shelters. This organic matter forms the base of the cave food web, providing sustenance for a variety of creatures. Cave crickets, for instance, are omnivorous scavengers, feeding on a wide range of organic material, including bat guano, fungi, and even each other. In turn, these crickets become food for larger predators, such as cave spiders, salamanders, and snakes. The flow of energy through the cave ecosystem is a delicate dance, with each organism playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of life.
Section 6. The importance of bats. Bats are often considered keystone species in cave ecosystems, playing a crucial role in supporting the delicate balance of life underground. Their guano, rich in nutrients, forms the base of the food chain for many cave dwellers, supporting a diverse community of invertebrates, amphibians, and even some fish. They are essential for maintaining the health of the cave ecosystem. As bats fly out of their caves at night to feed on insects, they also act as pollinators for plants that grow near cave entrances, further connecting the cave ecosystem with the outside world. Their presence, or lack thereof, can have a ripple effect throughout the entire cave ecosystem, highlighting the interconnectedness of life within these subterranean environments. Section 7. The threat of white-nose syndrome. Unfortunately, many cave ecosystems around the world are facing growing threats, and the delicate balance that sustains them is at risk. One such threat is white-nose syndrome, a fungal disease that has devastated bat populations in North America. This devastating disease has decimated bat populations in North America. The fungus, which thrives in cold, damp environments like caves, attacks the skin of hibernating bats, causing dehydration and disrupting their hibernation cycle. This often leads to starvation and death, and the disease has already killed millions of bats across the continent. Section 8. Other threats to caves. The decline of bat populations due to white-nose syndrome has cascading effects throughout the cave ecosystem. With less guano available, the populations of invertebrates and other creatures that rely on it as a food source also decline, disrupting the delicate balance of the food web. Beyond white-nose syndrome, cave ecosystems face numerous other threats, many stemming from human activities. Pollution from agricultural runoff, mining, and sewage can contaminate cave streams and groundwater, poisoning cave-dwelling creatures and disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Vandalism and disturbance from human visitors can also damage delicate cave formations and disrupt the habitats of cave-dwelling animals, highlighting the need for responsible cave exploration and conservation efforts.
Section 9. Exploring the abyss. Despite the challenges and threats they face, cave ecosystems offer a unique and invaluable window into the diversity of life on Earth and the remarkable adaptations that allow creatures to thrive in even the most extreme environments. Scientists and explorers are continually making new discoveries in caves around the world, uncovering new species and gaining a deeper understanding of the complex ecological processes that sustain these hidden worlds. By studying cave ecosystems, we can learn more about the limits of life on Earth and the remarkable resilience of nature.
Section 10. The future of cave conservation. Protecting cave ecosystems is crucial, not only for the sake of the unique and fascinating creatures that inhabit them, but also for the ecological services they provide. Caves play a vital role in regulating groundwater flow, filtering water, and providing habitat for a wide range of species, including bats, which provide invaluable services such as pollination and pest control. Conservation efforts must focus on raising awareness about the importance of cave ecosystems, promoting responsible cave exploration practices, and minimizing human impact on these fragile environments. This includes supporting research and monitoring programs, implementing sustainable land management practices, and educating the public about the importance of protecting these hidden wonders for generations to come.
Section 11. Our role in preservation. As we venture deeper into the unseen world of cave ecosystems, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of nature. The fate of these hidden worlds lies in our hands. By understanding the unique challenges they face and supporting efforts to protect them, we can ensure that these fascinating ecosystems continue to thrive for generations to come. Let us tread lightly as we explore these hidden realms, respecting the delicate balance of life that exists within them. The future of cave ecosystems and the countless species that depend on them rests on our commitment to their preservation.